progress through the line. Catching him is one thing. Paid off. Every once in a while. 3-3 on the pylon. Dev now making that move on Armstrong into one. Sounds dead, doesn't it? Yeah. Sounds dead stick on the motor, but man, that could have been so Morton now catches his breath. Are on track. Oh no, it's Connor. Stinger's got championship. He's jumped up to 20. Morton make progress through the line. Catching him is one thing. Paid off. Every once in a while. 3-3 on the pylon. Dev now making that move on Armstrong into one. Sounds dead, doesn't it? Yeah. Sounds dead stick on the motor, but man, that could have been funny. lost your championship like last